Assalamualaikum. Nah ini ya, kue tradisional ala Dapurita Yudis. Ada kue cenil nanas, kue lumpang ya dengan banyak variannya. Ada lumpang gula merah ya, lumpang pandan ya, dan lumpang durian. Seperti ini.
Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer.